My name is Abid Faqir. I'm a dentist based in Glasgow in Scotland, and I practice predominantly implant dentistry. Over the last 12 to 13 years, I've focused my practice to carrying out immediate implants and immediate loading. I've always felt it provides an excellent solution for my patients. I've been carrying out implant treatment using different brands of implants, different types of implants in the past, and my experience has been fairly good and has produced excellent results for my patients. However, very recently I've had the opportunity to use the new Straumann TLX implant, and if you can imagine, I've been so used to using bone level implants that now having the added advantage of a machine collar with a TLX implant, my patients are getting an even better solution. The ability to have really nice soft tissue healing is incredible, and I've been amazed every time I'm going back to uncover and restore these implants. The soft tissue response is beautiful, the tissues look really healthy, and to then restore the implant around such beautifully healed tissues is incredible. And as such, I encourage everyone to try the new TLX implant. It not only provides an immediate solution for your patients, but now has the incredible added benefit of a tissue level implant. So I hope I've given you a little bit of insight there on the new TLX implant, and I look forward to everyone using them. Thank you.